Find the equivalent capacitance between the terminals A and B. And in the given network, this is terminal A and this is terminal B. So we are required to calculate the equivalent capacitance between terminal A and terminal B. And when you observe the given network, you will find we have two capacitors, and along with these two capacitors we have one resistor and one current source. And till now we have calculated the equivalent capacitance and the equivalent resistance when the network is having only capacitors and only resistors. But in this case we have resistor, current source and two capacitors in the network. So this problem is something different, and we will understand how we can calculate the equivalent capacitance or the equivalent resistance when we have the network like this. The first thing we will do is to connect one voltage source between the terminals A and B, as we are required to calculate the equivalent capacitance between A and B terminals. And let's say the voltage source is providing the voltage equal to V volts, and we can see that current I1 is the current leaving the voltage source, and according to the Ohm's law, voltage V will be equal to current I1 multiplied to the impedance Z sub AB, or we can say that V over I1 will be equal to Z sub AB. Why we are having the impedance and not reactance or the resistance? Because in the network we have combination of resistor and capacitors, therefore we will have the impedance. Their collective effect is known as impedance, and in general the impedance will be equal to the resistance between terminals A and B plus the reactance offered by the inductors between terminals A and B, that is J omega L AB plus the reactance offered by the capacitors between terminals A and B, which is 1 over J omega C sub AB. In our network there is no inductor, therefore this part will be equal to 0, and we can say that the ratio V over I1 will be equal to Z sub AB, and it is equal to R AB plus 1 over J omega C AB. So if we can calculate V over I1, upon comparison we can have the equivalent resistance, which is RAB, and we can have the equivalent capacitance, which is CAB. So let us try to find out V over I1, and when you focus on this node you will find I1 is the current entering and 49 I1 is also the current entering. Therefore the leaving current according to KCL will be 50 times I1. And now we will apply KVL in this loop. Starting from the voltage source we will have plus V, then we have minus 100 I1 minus 100 I1. After this we have minus 1 over J omega 100 multiplied to 50 I1 minus 1 over J omega 100. This is the reactance offered by this capacitor multiplied to the current, which is 50 times I1, or we will have I1 divided by J omega 2, and then we come back to our source. So we have V equal to 100 times I1 plus I1 divided by J omega 2, or we can say that V over I1 is equal to 100 plus 1 over j omega 2. So we have calculated V over I1, and this is what we have, 100 plus 1 over j omega 2. So this is our impedance Z sub AB, and upon comparison we can see that 100 is RAB, which is evident from the network also. We have one single resistor having the value 100 ohms. So RAB is equal to 100 ohms, and in place of CAB we have 2. So the equivalent capacitance between A and B terminals is equal to 2 farad. So this is our answer, and I hope you now understand how to calculate the equivalent capacitance or the equivalent resistance when we have different elements in the network. Now you may think that we have applied KVL in this loop covering this 100 farad capacitor. Now what about 200 farad capacitor? Is the effect of this capacitor included in this equivalent capacitance we have calculated? The answer is yes, because here we have 49 times I1 current in this branch, and this current is having the effect of this capacitor, and this current is included in 50 times I1 current. Therefore, the effect of 200 farad capacitor is well included in the equivalent capacitance we have calculated. So this is all for this lecture. If you have any doubt, you may ask in the comment section or post it in our forum, whose link you will get in the description.